Welcome to Shin29 channel.
This is Shin29 and now we're going to our church, ang Dating Daan or MCGI, meaning Members Church of God International. Now let's go. So inside of MCGI of the Dating Daan is our local. What is inside of our church? This is what is inside. Just because we're not Catholics. Behind.
Hello. Ano sa t-shirt? Ano sa ako? Ano sa to?
Sa lahat po ng ating mga kapatid sa buong mundo. At sa ating po mga panlawin, welcome po kayo sa ating po pagkakatito.
Okay.
Bilang pagpapasalamat.
This is just my vlog and this is our church.
Sa ating Panginoon dahil we deserve the best at para sa Kanya ang pinakamataas na
Artista na ako, di ba?
Again, it's very cloudy outside. Our church mate. Oh.
Kapatid si ano ba yun? Kapatid ng babae. Bigyan mo sa kanya ko ah.
Yes. Our church mate.
Mula po dito sa lugar natin sa Country.
Uncle was there, was here.
In the count of three.
The gray one. That is my uncle. That one. My uncle. My dad's side uncle. See? Right here. I'm not sure but yes.
Pakita natin.
Opo, salamat po sa Diyos at maligayang pagpapasalamat po muli sa ating Panginoon sa araw na ito.
Yes. Our blanket. singing a song in our church.
Dati mo sin. Punta ba lang?
Yes.
Dapat si nanay. Ikaw nasusan mo, wala ba?
Apa. We're here at
Pirmahan niyo lang po yan, ma'am.
my church in kids room. I'm in here inside. So see you later. We're watching in Christian drama.
Ang kalayuan. Ang defense ay hindi dapat maging libangan ng kahit na sino. Ang dapat may libangan kaya mabubuting bagas. Kaya kapandaan yung video games. Alisin nyo na yung video games. Yung cellphone.
Break time. Finally break time. Be quiet. Do not disturb. Now today is break time and time to break. It is the time of our break and before the preaching starts. It's very nice. Yes, absolutely. Na po yun. This is outside, it's raining and it's cold, and this is our kitchen here. It's actually raining outside. See, it's leaking wet. This is our hallway. Excuse me. It's raining.
Ano yan? Video?
Now we're inside. It's raining outside. And we're inside of our church. It's God. And it's actually cold here in our church.
Tayo po ay magtalaga para magpapig sa masama natin awitin ang numero 36 sa ating mga ilang. Kami pinag
So see ya later.